Following the news that Knicks center Mitchell Robinson will miss the first 2 months of the NBA season due to injury, James Edwards of The Athletic proposed 3 potential trade targets for New York to bolster their front court. The list included Isaiah Stewart, Walker Kessler, and Charlotte Hornets center Nick Richards. Richards, who league sources tell The Athletic is someone the Knicks have had on their radar this offseason, is a big, physical specimen with a good motor. Due to the Knicks' financial restraints, they need to find a low-cost big. Richards fits the bill, earning just $10 million combined over the next 2 seasons. Originally from Jamaica, Richards played high school basketball in New York and is known to stay in the city at times over the offseason. Having the chance to start on a contender in a major market would likely be of interest to Richards. Proposed trade: Knicks receive Nick Richards plus CLT future second Hornets receive Miles McBride and Keita Bate-Diop. McBride is a 6 feet 2 inches combo guard with a freakish 6 feet 9 inches wingspan. He's a good point of attack defender and had a career season last year shooting 41% from 3-on-4 attempts per game. With 3 years, $13 million left on his contract, and only 24 years old, he is a proven, low-cost rotation player. McBride also had an impressive playoff run, scoring in double figures in 7 of the Knicks' 13 games. His addition would bolster Charlotte's guard depth, but equally leave them thin in the front court. Charlotte shouldn't be wedded to Richards, especially if they have the opportunity to sell high to a desperate Knicks team. But for me, the proposed deal isn't high enough. It would be a sideways move, far away from a can't-say-no offer. Charlotte are rebuilding. Richards' trade would be looking to add future draft capital, not send it out. Moving forward, McBride would be a useful player, but does he make sense with Josh Green and Cody Martin, who are similar archetypes already on the roster? This one doesn't pass the sniff test unless the draft assets were flipped and Charlotte were the recipients.